Hey everyone, Rick Sammon here. I'm really excited to share with you the news about my latest Kelby 1 class, Safari Photography in a Wildlife Park, which is a ton of fun, but it's also challenging. So in this class, I'm going to share with you everything that you need to know to get great pictures in a wildlife park like Fossil Rim Wildlife Center in Glen Rose, Texas, where I am right now. I'm going to cover photographing from a safari vehicle with the goal of making photographs, not just taking photographs, that do not look as though they were taken in a man-made habitat. I'll share with you my camera gear recommendations. I'll show you how to make fences, even chain link fences, photographically disappear in camera. We will explore creative composition, whether you are taking close-ups, which help to tell the story of your experience, or environmental portraits of the animals, which show a subject in its beautiful environment. By the end of the class, you will have enough photo info to take pictures in a wildlife park that look very, very similar to pictures taken in the wild. So my friends, I really hope you can join me for my latest class only on kelby1.com.